I'm Lee Bramald, I'm the CEO of Flamgard Engineering. Chernobyl was a world-famous unfortunate accident that happened in 1986. There was a temporary sarcophagus put over the top of the reactor. About 2005 there was talks about building a new safe confinement over the top of the reactor. Various different designs over the years were thought of, and then the final design was an arch. We started work on the project in 2016. We supplied all the ventilation, high integrity ventilation fire dampers for the project.
So I'm Shuresh Maran, Business Development Director for Flamgard. For projects such as Chernobyl, which is our flagship projects, they predominantly ask for a performance bond at the start of the contract, which will then run towards delivery and also onwards towards end of warranty. And you can imagine this could take 3 to 5 years to execute the project, and then a further 2 to 3 years warranty bond. For us to do that normally, we would have to put the cash down with the bank, which will, for SME, is a big drain on our cash flow. The product that UK Export Finance offers is bond support. So UK Export Finance guaranteeing 80% of the bond value, and the rest of it we work out with our bank. This gives us a lot more flexibility to be able to take on jobs which are in excess of £2 million and still have enough cash flow to execute the project. So on Chernobyl, we made use of this opportunity. There was a lot of communication between UK Export Finance as well as our bank, and together we worked together to be able to put forward the bonds required to execute the project successfully.